Wow, well done, Rachel. Annie, what do you think of Rachel's performance?
It took me ages to stand up and I couldn't get up. My chair got stuck. Wow. I'm in shock. I've never heard that song before. I said, Ken, I don't know that song. She was like, you've never heard it? I was like, no. I was not expecting the power. Not at all. I mean, to be honest. Are you just as surprised as we are? Because I'm shook. I mean, that was a phenomenal audition. The low notes were gorgeous. Your power, like your belts, they were all like perfect. They were on point, and you've got bags and bags and bags of potential. You just ooze it. I'm in love with you. That was awesome. The message was really good too. It was incredible. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think of her performance?
I think you've got a really dark and unusual tone, and that was a fantastic song choice to kind of show that off. And it's really weird because like off stage and now you're kind of like, ooh, but then the music kicks in and you look so confident with where your voice is going to go and what you can do. It's just like two totally different people. And you can see that you really get into the music and you really get into the vibe. And I loved like the bluesy backing. I thought that was fantastic. I think you've got loads and loads of potential. I don't even think we've seen half of what you can do yet. I mean, the power and the range on you is just phenomenal. And I do think that you are going to surprise a few people. I really do. I think that you've got so much more that you're going to show us. Well done.
Well, Rachel, I mean, the biggest person I think you're going to surprise is yourself, because I can completely see just the sort of person you are. And I got to say, this is rare, because I'll come back to your talent and what you've just done now. But I can already tell, it's weird this is, but I can already tell that you are a very, very special person. And what I mean by this is your personality. I don't know you yet, I've never met you before, but I can already tell that you're a very kind, a very honest, a very decent, a very sensitive, a very sweet person. And I might be wrong, but I've guessed that just by what I've seen on the stage. Alright, first of all, I want to say, obviously, back to this performance, wow. Alright, because there is massive potential there. And obviously we've seen a lot of talent passing through our way over the last 6 to 7 years. And there's only, really we get moments like this where I'm like, oh my God, this person could be absolutely incredible. She is a diamond. And that's exactly what you give me then. You made me feel like this person's got the potential to be like sensational. And all that's missing at this point is that little bit of unawareness of it. And once you were aware, and I want to take this on board, because the more aware of what you were capable of, the more of that stunning voice is going to come out. Like you've shown us, especially in the last section of that, what you were capable of, but there is so much more behind what you can do, and we haven't got to see that tonight yet. But I'm hoping you will show us that if you're successful throughout this. But I could see straight away, even your reaction when we clapped and everything, he was like, really? Was that okay? Unbelievable. Believe what you've got, because this is amazing, and whether you've been told it or not before, I'm telling you now, just from my experience working with talent in Wales, you are amazing. That's the truth. Alright? Well